Welcome to Rattlesnake Rapids. Please watch your step as you enter the raft. While riding, please keep your eyes inside.
Please keep your arms and legs inside all the time.
Enjoy your ride.
Thank you.
Before exiting, remain seated until
Can you hold that?
watch your step as you exit. Exit up the stairs and have a great day.
This is a smart idea to just go for it first.
Just, looking around stuff.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, the mist tunnel's gonna be slick on this.
Oh, Mom.
That was a cool, like, drift around the corner. I don't think I've done that one. Oh, that's new. Got my face. Oh. Got my feet. I can't. Okay, now we're in this pit. Oh man.
Alright. Oh, the bing bong. Bing bong.
I'm gonna. Oh, bong, bing,
The bing bong. Oh. Dong.
oh, wait, no. Oh, it's the tunnel time, yay!
Tunnel time. Oh, no. Misty.
Woo!
Supposed to stay seated. That wasn't safe. But I did it.
Oh man!
Still misty.
A little bit, yeah. Okay, it's waterfall time.
Oh god. Oh,
Okay. I need to get on that side, but hopefully we can try and.
Oh, trust again.
Oh god. Alright, try not to turn it.
Oh no.
It didn't get the camera much, I felt it. Oh, there's another little mini one right here if it's off. Oh. Yeah, right there. Look at that.
Oh boy.
Oh man. Alright.
Got us. Oh, my phone's alright.
Yeah, this guy, he got dusted, but
Yeah.
not too bad.
I'm just making sure. I don't think it got into my charge port, so I'm okay.
Not like Grandpa in the hot tub. When we were in California, he dipped it a little bit. Wouldn't charge for a day. Yeah, no. Oh, I wonder if it's going up. I wonder if there's still the like minion or something. We saw I don't know how to describe it. It was like a McDonald's store. I don't know where it went.
It's not now.
No, it's not. Dang it.
Rattlesnake Rapids.
Oh.
Okay, you're all gonna ride
Okay, thank you.
And have a great day here at Lagoon.